Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm gonna show you world's most expensive house in the world of the richest man of the whole India as well as Asia, Mukesh Ambani Antelia's house, which is located in Altamount Road. As you can see, we are in a cab and we are outside Antilia Tower, the road outside Antilia Tower, and I'll also show you exactly from the outside of the building. And just look at this building, it's so massive and beautiful. More than pictures and video, it looks in real, it looks even more beautiful. And the architecture of this building and the interiors, even from the outside, I don't know about the inside, obviously we have seen it in pictures. It's so beautiful, and we have entered the lane. So it's a 27-story building. It's worth about $2 billion, which is around 15,000 crores. It has about 6 floors for parking, which can park around 170 cars. Even Mukesh Ambani is very fond of luxury cars. So they have around 160 luxury cars in their Antilia Tower. At their house, they also have a private service station for their own cars inside their house. They also have a 3 private helipads at the terrace of Antilia. Look at this house. I'm standing right outside the house, and they have a lot of security outside. Why it looks so massive? They have huge building, they have private swimming pool inside, they have spa center, gymnasium, yoga center, and winter wonderland. They also have a plantation in the building, even in the outside, as you guys can see. They have a lot of plantation in the whole building, which can also keep the inside of the building cool. So they have around 600 staff which cater to all their requirements like cooking, cleaning. They have plumbers inside. They all kind of staffs are there, and they have specially dedicated one floor just for the stay of their staff. And this is the whole location. It's so posh, and all the well-renowned business tycoons and the celebrities stay here. And see, this is the Piramal house where Isha Ambani along with her family stays. It's also quite nearby. So after exploring Antilia Tower from the outside, we have reached the most famous Geo World Drive Mall, which is located at Mumbai's Bay. Here you have never seen before brands, flagship stores. Also you have a rooftop drive in theater where you can drive up there and watch a different experience under the sky with the open theater. Also the interiors here are super massive and fabulous. There is a supermart on the left hand side. You have a lot of restaurants here, and especially look at this interior here. This one is particularly inspired by a tangled wire. It looks really nice and amazing, and look at all the brands you'll find here. So it's a very famous Italian restaurant here. So over here in this mall, apart from all these premium fashion brands, you will also find best of the restaurants and coffee shop here. And I love the interior here, and look at these cameras. These are all vintage cameras which they use in their in the 1950s, and all these massive big cameras. And look at the premium stores here like Diesel, Dior. You will find all the luxury stores here. So we are moving up to the first level. There are again good restaurants here. I really like this one. This is the inside of the restaurant. So we took the walking tour of the whole mall. मुझे नहीं पता ओबरॉय वाला। ये प्ले एरिया है। So for some time we went here in their Hamleys play area and look at this food court outside. Kind of a food court, yeah, but doesn't look like. So we had tea and coffee over here. So now I'm gonna take you at the best store in this whole mall, which I personally like, is the Apple store. So this is I'm visiting the first India's Apple store. And just look at this, look at the interior. It's so massive with the, you have all the Apple products here. You'll find everything, each and every product, including the watches, variety of watches, phones, iPads, laptops. You'll get everything here. And look at this massive screen here. This is not a normal screen. It's worth around 3 crore INR. In this screen, Apple does its events and showcase various innovative ideas and all. So this is the screen, and look at the logo above that. So the staff here are very professional and friendly. So if you're talking to them, you'll not get that feeling like you're talking to a salesperson. You'll get a very friendly vibe. So these are all Apple products like phones, the variety of phones. So whatever you'll not get outside, you'll get everything here. Each and everything, you name it and you'll have it here. And look at the glass detailing here. I just love their interior, especially their glass interiors. They have these big trees here, which I have never seen in any other store. And look at these massive glass walls here. They are all made up of glass and are about 8 meters tall. And even their staircase, it's made fully of glass, and the floors are of marble with stainless steel in between. And this is a whole glass. Just look at this. I'm totally in love with their interiors here. And on the right hand side, you see these massive big trees here, and they are able to survive because there is enough lighting here. The natural lighting is here. And look at this is arcade, so you can actually hear the real sound from here. You can take the iPod and their headphones and you can listen to the sounds here. And this is on first floor. They have their technical department here, and this is Apple Music. Look at the screen, you can hear their live music here. You can stand and listen to the music with the headphones, and these are the variety of iPads here. I loved exploring this Apple store here. Even the staff I spoke to was really nice and friendly. They were not, they will not force you to buy anything here. And even if anything is not worth it, they will tell you then and there. So they're very professional and they're internationally trained. There are around a staff of 100 people here. So Apple has been in India from last 25 years, but in first time they have actually launched their store here. So before that they always used to sell their products through their third party retailers, and they used to sell their products. But now for the first time they have actually opened their store in India. I tried their watch and I really loved it. I loved the color. And then we stepped out from the mall and we are heading to Dhirubhai Ambani Square. So we are going to this Nita Ambani Cultural Center and Geo World Center here. So we have entered first Nita Ambani Cultural Center, and there are few exhibitions going on there. This place is really massive. So over here there is one very big exhibition, Bridal Asia, happening, and look at these beautiful shops here of handloom. The name is Swadesh, and you must have seen this is also a handloom shop here where they make clothes from khadi, and there is a Charkha Gandhiji over here. This is another one. So this is the same Neeta Ambani Cultural Center, where the wedding of Anant Ambani happened. And look at the floral details here. And there was one vintage car here. Just look at this. So this place is basically famous for their lavish theaters, where they have various shows going on international level. There are 3 massive theaters, and there are shows always going on here. Over here, see the floral temple here of Radha Krishna. And you will get a feel as if you are not in India. So the mall has beautiful summer and spring decor and everything with floral, is so modern, yet interiors Indian finish, and the it's so nice. Statues. Look at the colorful interiors here, and behind this you will see the massive theater, and these are the stairs which goes upstairs. So they have 4 levels here, but the 3rd level is under construction. And it's also for the family. They have suites there, and they also had chart counters and all here. So if you want to eat something, there are chart counters here. We tried their aloo chaat and it was really nice and delicious. We loved it so much that we had to take another one, and obviously it's chargeable, but it's really nice. And upstairs also they have the theaters and they have the cafes and all there, so you can eat there. So this is the place from where the entry of the Anant Ambani wedding took place, and it was all decorated with flowers and all. So you must have seen in the videos that when all the Bollywood celebrities and everybody in the wedding were entering, they were entering from this long gallery here, and it was all glass finish. On everywhere you will just find glasses here, and I can't describe it in this video, but it was really nice and beautiful here. And this is the place where the wedding took place. This Neeta Ambani Cultural Center, also known as NMAC. सब कुछ ग्लास से बना हुआ है। So this is the Grand Theatre here, where they have sitting of around 900 to 1000 people. And in this Grand Theatre, Radhika Merchant and Anant Ambani's Sagan ceremony and Sangeet ceremony took place. And upstairs, if you go, you'll see another theatre. So I've come on the 1st floor. They have this beautiful cafeteria here. So in between the shows and all, you can grab whatever you want. And upstairs, if you go, you'll see the 2nd floor. So there is this show going on here, known as Rajadhiraj. So you'll find their tickets for these shows on Book My Show, or you can directly go to their website and book your tickets, or you can also directly come to the counter and collect your tickets if they have seats available, because when we came and checked with these people, there were only around 3-4 tickets left. So from there on, from the 1st floor, you can enter Jio World Plaza Mall, which is the most premium mall in India. So we came directly into this mall. So you can come from outside also. There is an entry for Jio World Plaza Mall. And also if you come to Neeta Ambani Cultural Center, from there also, from the 1st floor, you have access to this mall. So since we were there in Cultural Center, we came directly to this mall rather than going out and re-entering again. And once you enter this mall, you will not get a feeling as if you are in India. You will think like you are in Dubai. This mall gives you a feeling of Dubai mall. Like I've never seen such a massive mall in India. So this is known as the Jio World Plaza Mall. This is newly opened in 2023. Here you can shop all premium brands at one place, such as Dior, Balenciaga, Valentino, Tiffany & Co., Cartier, LV, Gucci, and many more. It started on 1st of November 2023. The Geo World Plaza is located in Mumbai's BKC and it's spread in 7 lakh, around 50,000 square feet. It also has 4 levels of floors. Walking into the mall where you have world's most expensive designer brands, not in abroad but yes in India, in Mumbai city. It gives you a feel of Dubai Mall, but you are in Mumbai. Welcome to the newest mall of Mumbai, the Geo World Plaza. There are various fashion brands who have also made their debut in India for the first time, like Cartier and many more. Apart from these premium fashion brands, you'll also find best of the restaurants and coffee shops over here. So this is the Nita Ambani Cultural Center. From here you enter this mall known as Geo World Plaza Mall from the first floor. So this is Cartier. I have never seen Cartier in India in any other mall. Even in Delhi Emporio you will not find Cartier. Over here you have all kind of brands here. So I'm just showing you the walking tour. So when I say never seen before brands, this is what I mean. Look at the watches here, all Swiss made company. And this is Edamame, which is Alia Bhatt's brand for kids wear. And these are the 4 levels, and look at the interiors here. This is YSL massive showroom here, and when we walk towards the left, there is a Manish Malhotra's outlet there. So this is the Manish Malhotra store, newly opened. And there are many other brands who are yet to open. So guys, this was my experience in Geo World Plaza Mall. So we had a great day here where we saw first Antilia Tower, then we went to Geo World Drive Mall, and from there is just 5 minutes distance. You can come directly to Nita Ambani Cultural Center, and from Nita Ambani Cultural Center's first floor you can directly enter Geo World Plaza Mall, so you can see all the 3 malls together if you have one full day. Now finally we are going back home, came to the first floor towards the exit, and you'll find these beautiful details on the left hand side where you'll see all historical monuments, pictures. So and there is a very massive fish tank over here. So we sat here for a while because they had these and if you like my beautiful mattresses here too, you can sit and also have a relaxed time here. And I keep on watching the fishes is of course very videos. So do check out my other vlogs. Thank you.